Hello, I'm Chef Belinda. Today we are making banana cakes. Yeah, banana cake is one of those cakes you love to take without icing. It's very yummy. You can eat it on its own without icing, and you just feel like having a sweet tooth. Banana cake is the way to go. So with our ingredients here, we have flour, sugar. This is actually powdered sugar. That's icing sugar. Yes. Eggs, baking soda, salt, vegetable oil, mashed banana, honey, and milk. You can see we're in for a yummy cake. So we start now by mixing our powdered sugar and the eggs together. You know, powdered sugar is very smooth. It's not as coarse as your regular sugar. So this one will mix very fast. You beat thoroughly until you have something like foam coming from this. But not so foamy anyway, but a bit foamy. Then you add your vegetable oil. And then you mix again. So after mixing this, you pour in some parts of the flour. Pour in some parts of the flour and put in some part of the flour and fold into the mixture. Just like. Then you pour in the remaining flour and continue folding in. The honey comes in next. The milk and the mashed banana goes in. You fold everything into the mixture together until you have a lump free, batter free of lump. At this point, if you want it to be a bit dark, you can add a little browning. Just add a little browning to it. This one is actually optional. You can add or you cannot. Yeah, so we have our batter set now. But today I decided to use foil. Now you can actually bake with this foil and it will come out very nice. So that's what we're baking our banana cake with today. So we just go in like this. It shouldn't be too full, so you will have some space to still bake, to rise rather. So we'll be taking this to the oven now, but because we're at home, we're doing freestyle, you can just add your mixed fruit a little. Just add them as maybe toppings or something. This is freestyle, you know. It's actually very optional. But because we have mixed fruit at home, you just sprinkle on it. Remember, it's homemade banana cake, so just freestyle the whole stuff. Okay, so now we'll be taking this into the oven, which has been preheated, and to stay for the first 30 minutes. Please check it up. Then if it's not done, you can put it back. Okay, we have our cake set, and you can actually eat this from the cup like this, or you can pull it out and put in a plate. And you can cut with your knife. You can actually have this for breakfast with tea or any beverage of your choice, and then you are good to go. This is yummy. You can see it's a very easy and yummy recipe, and it's very tasty. I tell you. Try this at home and you will love it. Bye bye.